horizontal scroll bar for moving your page towards left and right. I'll just show you here. And status bar, which defines the different information regarding your word processing file. We have zoom slider, which zooms in and zooms out the content, and we have view buttons for different viewing option of the file. So just for the revision purpose, quickly revise it. Title bar shows the name or the title of the program along with the file name. It also consists of close, minimize and maximize button at the left corner. We have menu bar consisting different menus or tools to perform your work. Then we have status bar, document area is the blank area where you type or edit and format the content. Status bar, which displays the page number, the number of words, and on the status bar itself you consist of two buttons. One is your view button to display the document in different manner or different ways, and the zoom slider to increase or decrease the typing area. Standard toolbar consists of different tools which are frequently used commands. Formatting contains commands for formatting or changing the appearance of the document. Rulers located at the top of the document and on the left side of the document for moving your page left and right, up and down. After that, we had studied how to create a new document. For creating a new document, as I have mentioned, we have to click on the file button, click on the new option, and you will have a new document in front of you. We have shortcut for creating new document, that is CTRL plus N for creating new document. For saving, we have shortcut CTRL plus S to save the content or to save the work which we have done. For closing the document or for closing the program, we have close button available in the file menu, or CTRL plus W is your short key for closing the program. Similarly, we have learned the process of saving, closing, opening a new document. So similarly, if you want to open a new document, click on file menu, choose open, and there select the file which you want to open, select it, and it will get open. Now comes the next. These are some basic operations which we have learned in all programs. Now in formatting the text, we have selecting the text. To select the text, either we can double click on it, the word will get selected, or we can click the right button, move on that word, and it will get selected as it's been showing on your computer screen. For performing any of the formatting step, changing its color, changing its font, anything, we have to select the word or the sentence first. To select the complete document, as you can see, all the lines have been selected now. Okay, so as you can see, I have just selected one word by using the mouse and the left button. If I want to select all the lines, I have to press Control plus A, and you can see all the lines available on the screen has been selected. So that's a shortcut for selecting the whole document. Control plus A. For printing a document, the shortcut for printing is Control plus P, which we'll use to print a document. After this, you were being introduced to a programming language. As we had discussed, that computer is not capable of understanding human language. Computer cannot understand the human language. You had to communicate with the computer in a language which is understood by the computer. The language which is understood by the computer is called programming languages. There are certain types of programming languages, but in your course we are introducing to you with Scratch. A Scratch is a programming language which is understood by the computer, and it is easy to use, which helps the children to understand the basic of computer programming. Because many of your students might use computer as their further subjects. You would like to become a computer programmer, or you can say a computer coder who codes, who performs, or who makes different computer programs. So for such students, or for students of your age, to develop the concept of programming, to develop an interest towards the programming language, this chapter has been introduced in your subject. Using Scratch is very easy because the programs, the contents are being available in the form of a script. What you have to do? You have to connect, you have to combine different script, and the character, which is known as sprite, will perform actions on the basis of those script. So before that we had learned how to open a Scratch. For starting Scratch, again we have to click on the dash icon, we have to type the name Scratch. The icon will appear, double click on that icon, and the Scratch window will open in front of you with a default character cat. We will have stage, script area, the blocks palette. Sprite is your character which performs the action as per your script. Stage is the white space where it performs the action. Block palettes are the further menus, consist of different commands, or you can say different scripts to perform a task. And script area is the blank gray area where you connect, or where you drag the script from the block palette and get it connected to the other script. Okay, so in this you had done some of the programming, or you had created some projects itself, like moving a sprite, drawing colorful cycles. We had discussed and we had done these in our previous classes. I would request, for just revision purpose, kindly revise it with 1 or 2 projects. Please make them with your hands, or sorry, with your system itself. You can take the advice, or you can take help from your elders, but you can also explore the actions by further using the different scripts available. It's not necessary that you have to perform the